How to swap USDT to Near token on BNB chain using the CipherRock X1 hardware wallet. Before starting, make sure that your CipherRock X1 vault is connected to your laptop. Step 1. Visit the Uniswap website and launch app. Let's change the network to BNB chain. Step 2. Connecting the wallet. Click on Connect Wallet and then select Wallet Connect. You will see a QR code along with a desktop option. From that list, select CipherRock. You will be redirected to the SciSync app. Select the BNB chain account from which you want to make the transaction and select Continue. Go back to Uniswap website and you can see that your wallet is successfully connected. Step 3. Choosing the tokens and entering amount. From the list, select USDT and then select Near token. You will see an estimated amount of Near token you will receive after the swap. You will also have to pay the transaction fees to execute the transaction. After you are done reviewing Select Swap and then Confirm Swap. Step 4. Executing the transaction on the SciSync app. You will be redirected to the SciSync app. Select Continue. On the X1 device using the joystick, select the checkmark option. Blind signing, okay? Verify the derivation path, okay? Match the recipient ID shown on the device with the one on the SciSync app. Select the checkmark option. This is the transaction fees. Click the checkmark option. Enter the PIN if you have set up one. Fetch and tap any X1 card on the X1 device. Your transaction was successful, and now let's check the transaction status. We will wait for this to load. As you can see, the transaction was successful. Step 5. Checking the SciSync app for the swapped tokens. As you can see here, the tokens have been received, and this is how you swap USDT to Near token on BNB chain using the CipherRock X1 hardware wallet. Buy the CipherRock X1 from CipherRock.com. You can check out this playlist for different types of token swaps you can do using the CipherRock X1 hardware wallet.